Well, morning tubers. Today, I don't know what that thing is up there, but it's nice here. Turn you around. We're going to go and walk over this park with said dog. So, there's people out here already.
It's still got his new wellies on.
Yes,
So
Peter has got new wellies. Look at this, we'll be able to do the welly dance later.
Be able to go through the puddles?
Yeah, I can go splashing in the puddles. But as you can see, it's still pretty flooded where the river burst its banks. But never mind, we'll have a walk through and a splash and what have you, and we'll see what happens later on. See you later. Hello guys, well, I'm not quite sure what this is, but this is all sort of marked out with the gravel, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's the size of its shape of a house, or what was a house. I mean, I don't think you can see it on the camera. It goes right over the back there, right the way around. But we'll have to go and see. Oh, hang on. Oh, look folks, looks like there might be an info board. We love info boards, don't we? Let's go and have a look. This is what was Simpson Manor. So I'm assuming, difficult to read this, it'll be day. A small but populated parish of Simpson was mentioned in the Domesday Survey of 1086 as I can't read that. As stepping stones, or can't understand it. If you can read it, great. Just press pause and read.
That's your ball? Is that yours? See, the thing is, I said to that lady, listen,
I think Simba's trying to read the board as well. I'm sorry folks, I can't read it. It's
too small,
it's very small, but if you press the pause button or the space bar and pause if you want to read. Sorry about that. My thinking is that gravel layout, which is up there, is the foundations of the old manor. It's the only thing I can think of. See if I can find out any more, but I don't think I can. It's obviously marked out for a reason. Anyway, get back to you. Well guys, I've got a feeling I've read somewhere that this is part of an old fish pond complex from many years ago. Probably when the manor house was erected. I can't honestly say I know for a fact, but so don't quote me. I don't know if you can see, but over in the distance there's a